So start by getting yourself into a comfortable position. Make any movements you need to throughout the meditation just to keep in a nice relaxed state. And start by closing your eyes. Taking some deep, calm, conscious breaths. And with each breath you take, feel yourself going deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. Now, we're bringing our awareness to letting go, to release, to surrender. Not surrender to another person or to external circumstance, but a surrender of upsets, a surrender of negativities, and a surrendering into our spiritual intention. Now sense the whole space the body occupies. The legs and the contact with the floor, the feet, the knees, the hips. Sensing the belly, the chest, the back, the arms, the legs, the hands, the feet. Sensing the neck, the head. And as you gently sense your space, be aware of what it is to sense, what it is to be aware of sensation. As an upset arises throughout daily life, we bring our awareness to the sensation. We don't align ourselves with the thoughts, the emotions, and the stories that come along with it. We go directly to the sensation, to the experience in the moment. So as we sense our space, consciously bring up some situation from the past which may have potentiated an upset from within. Maybe a person, place, event, or experience which might leave a upset feeling in our space, and just bring that to our awareness in order to sense, in order to be conscious of the sensation that has arisen from that experience. Notice any changes in the physical system, tightness in the throat or chest, change in the breathing or the pulse, sweatiness in the hands or in the body, heat. Just observe the sensation. And as you observe the sensation, we have the intention to let go. So we set our intention to let go, release, dissolve any forms of upset, negativity, fear, doubt, blame, resentment, complaint, any forceful or downward frequencies pull us away from our spiritual intention and away from our potential. Sensing the space and experiencing the sensation, the sense of the upset frequency. And as we sense it, we have the intention to surrender, and we combine that with a sense of appreciation and gratitude. We're grateful, bringing a sense of gratitude for the opportunity to surrender this upset. When you are aware that you have something in your bag, you can take it out and release it. So whenever we have an upset arise, we sense and we bring ourselves into a condition of gratitude, grateful for the opportunity to surrender it. This level of reason, this level of understanding allows us to approach the upset, the downward emotion and thoughts that come with it, in a more reasonable way. We can see it and realize it's something to be surrendered, and also something that's making us aware that our attention is focused in a direction away from that which we want, away from our potential. So as the upset arises, we sense our space with an intention of surrender and gratitude, automating the release process and lifting our awareness to see this energy, this emotion, this frequency as something that we can start to surrender and let go of. Now, let the energy dissolve, evaporate, release, drop, let go. Like ice that turns to water and water to steam, and to steam that evaporates into nothing, we dissolve, let go, and release the blocks from our thoughts, emotions, body, and energy. We let go. Sensing the space and the reality of the emotion and the energy, with a sense of gratitude and appreciation, with the intention of surrender and letting go. And now a connection to your spiritual nature, to your highest nature, to your ideal self, God, the Tao, the way, or some avatar which helps you to uplift your consciousness. A sense of now devotion. To Thee, O Lord, I surrender this. Sensing, grateful, surrender, devotion. Letting all upsets melt away. Like an energetic engine which operates in the background, dissolving, releasing, and purifying these upset energies. Now consciously direct your attention to your highest intention, your spiritual intention. Feel the uplifted frequency, the energy, the emotion. With a sense of devotion to the infinite intelligence, to even your perception or conception of the highest form of self. Resting in alignment as the surrender and the letting go naturally dissolves. Intention, surrender, devotion. Once again, take some deep, calm, and conscious breaths. Feel the body. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes.